How to fix NAB Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your NAB Bank's login problem. So to do that, first of all, open the NAB Bank's app. Now simply try logging in to see if your problem is still there or it has been fixed. Now since you are here, meaning your problem is not fixed, so simply tap on the need help option right over here and tap on the first option, which is can't log in. After that, the bank app will automatically suggest you several different reasons as to why your problem may be occurring and also the solution. So first of all, check your internet connection. Now if you're on your Wi-Fi, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if you're on your data, make sure you have a stable data connection, as NAB is an application that requires a stable connection to work. Now if you do not have a stable internet connection, your app will not work, therefore you will not be able to log in. Second, ensure you are using the correct client ID. So in order to log in, you'll need to enter your client ID and your password. So if any one of them is wrong, you will not be able to log in. So make sure you are using both the credentials correctly. After that, if it still doesn't work, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Also, you can also try clearing the app cache and finally restart the application. Now, if none of these work, simply go to the contact page and simply either chat with them or call this number right over here, and they will be able to fix your problem. So that is basically how you fix your NAB Bank's login problem. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.